Always slide in an area free of obstacle and traffic. Sounds like a challenge to me. G'day guys, Vic right here. Hope everybody's doing well. What am I doing today? Well, here's a little clue. Well, patchwork is painted, so the truck is painted. It's ready, almost ready to go. There's just a couple of things about the knob, like putting back the rear bumper and all that stuff. But I need to protect the paint because I don't want to rock chip all over the truck, and I got some mud tires on there, so they fling a lot of rocks. So I made a little template to make my own mud flaps. Every commercial mud flap or anything that's store-bought, it's not wide enough because my tires are bigger than normal and they don't go down enough. So I made a template in cardboard and then I just traced it back on. Ye old crazy carpet tricks. But you know what? Back when I started driving, crazy carpet were much harder to roll and much thicker. So I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we all have a problem here because I made that and now I can't use them because here it is. Always slide in an area free of obstacle in traffic. Well, there's gonna be a lot of obstacle, there's gonna be a lot of sliding, and there's gonna be a lot of traffic where these things are gone. So I guess we gotta start over. Not really, it's just a party pooper. I like repurposing things because you can go against every freaking caution they can put on there. So that's what I did. So I made a template, made sure it would line back up, and I'm gonna use not screws, I'm gonna use plastic rivets to put these on. I did not drill. I'm using the factory locations of the fender flares as my mounting point. I'm gonna use those rivets. They're plastic rivet, and when you squeeze them they get really wide and they hold pretty good. So that's what I'm going to use, and we're just about ready to put them on the truck, so let's go. Yeah, this one's gonna be a pain. I'm gonna have to do it afterwards. Here we go. Simple as that. Love those plastic rivets. Let me show you what they do. It's like a rivet but on steroids because you get so much wider than the normal rivets. See? They flatten out so big that even though that hole was a heap bigger than my rivets, it's still holding just fine. And I'm gonna leave the sticker here for just for shit and giggles because I don't feel it ridicules, so it's good. So yeah, so I use fender flares, mounting spot. I'm using rivets. It's holding everything together. It's pretty stout. It won't fall. It won't go anywhere. So there it is. Big ass mud flap. Yeah, you could paint them. We could try to find black ones, but I couldn't, so let's go with the monster team. Alright, so thanks for watching.